My name is Edward Hunter. I'm the Director of Business Intelligence and Data Engineering for Clutch. Clutch is a B2C retail-focused loyalty company that is focused on identifying, understanding, and motivating retail customers to behave in ways that are positive for the brand and positive for the consumer. Matillion's data loader struck me as a product the marketplace desperately needs right now. So I really feel like for at least the customers in our space, marketers in retail, this is going to open up the floodgates of one of their greatest challenges, and that's the data space. They've got their consumers from point of sale data going into CRMs. They've got, digital ads and remarketing going on and spend metrics over here. And then they've got, results from email campaigns. This will give us a tool that we can use as sort of a go-to that says, listen, we get it, it's complicated. Here's something that will really help. It happens to be free. Connecting to those outlier services and bringing all of the data into one place so that you have a shot at cross-attribution of your customers. That's going to blow their minds, right? They're gonna flip out when they hear about that stuff. It's what they always bring to us as a huge challenge. How do we make marketing cloud data interact with our CRM and how do we make sense of all this? We can't necessarily tell them because we'd have to build them something to do it. Now this will give them a shot at doing some of it themselves. I want something outside that I can give permissions to connect to those external sources and connect to our internal sources and get the job done. And I believe that the data loader has a lot of promise in that area. I think it's going to help them make better data decisions and more efficient interactions with their data. That's a big win. It's a big win.